we put all of the equipment that actually smells or put off heat or put off gas or anything along those lines, they're all in one room. Then we exhausted it. So that there is, you don't have that spreading throughout the space. Remember the old days, some people here are not old enough to remember blueprinting, but just the awful, awful smell. It rings through everywhere. And of the ammonia. We ought to have anything like that throughout our space. We have greater connectivity throughout our staff within the office area itself, which leads to a more productive environment for health and natural light and a lot of the benefits there. You have an abandoned building, a new life with very little environmental impact, and it meets the vision of our company and what we are actually trying to do. And we really want to be, set the precedents out there and show people that this is actually possible, and how to do it, how to build a green. And what we're going to do over the next series of lectures. This next one is going to be do you have a third lecture on there? Okay. The next lecture, you can leave it closed now. The next lecture is actually going to be talking about the deconstruction, the demolition process. Ross Bees is going to be in here talking to us about it. They'll actually bring the specific paperwork that's associated with our building. I don't know, has anybody here seen Ross Bees' presentation before? Okay. It's very worthwhile to show you a lot about why we're doing the things that we're doing, how we're doing it, how they're doing it, the benefits of it. Like I said, we've diverted 95% of our material waste from landfills, and that's absolutely remarkable. So that'll be the next program. There's going to be some programs on engineering, the walkthrough, like I said. We'll have a walkthrough what we can go through today. Interior designs. We'll talk about a lot of the principles of planning that we have for everybody. Our engineers will be here for program number 4 to discuss. I think we evaluated 4 different types of mechanical systems and how we actually organized the layering of the building, from interior and exterior, perimeter wall spaces, interior spaces, there, floor by floor, to make that as the most efficient as it possibly can be, and effective, whether it be VAVs, DX, open air. Every time we have 3 series of windows in, we have one of our windows that's actually operable. I yelled out the other day, and I actually got my window number in where I wanted to. I said, "Who here in the office wants an operable window?" And everybody just screams out absolutely that they wanted it. So, thanks very much for listening to me. I see food out there somewhere, so we'll take a couple minutes and have something to eat. But above all, can I answer any questions that you guys might have at this point in time? There's going to be a lot more coming as we get into the specifics of the program.
Did you have any kind of innovation points you wanted for us?
We do now. We have some innovation in mechanical design. We have some innovation in obviously the recycling, repurposing of materials. That's one of those tricky ones to see what they'll actually approve and what they won't. We've reused a lot of the building assets themselves, and so there's some value to that as well.
The roof that was recently put on, can you speak to it?
Plain old simple built-up roof. I think it was what was originally constructed there in the building. I can't tell you a whole lot about it because they screwed the only way into the roof from the outside. They actually screwed the whole access shut, so we have to get a truck to hoist this up and drop us over, so we can unscrew it and then let us back into the building. But it is just a very basic tar roof system that's built up, fly.
The fact that you were aiming for